So, hello everyone. This is Lenin, Assistant Professor from the Asia Pacific Institute of Management, and today we have with us Nehal Parmar. He's our
Hello.
alumni of Asia Pacific Institute of Hotel Management. He did his BHMCT in 2014, and he completed by around 2018. Passed out, and now he's residing in Romania. He's a chef now. I think he's doing great with this Corona period. Also, I think today's conversation is going to be kind of a friend one with our alumni. Yes, welcome, Nehal, for the session.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you to invite me.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
It is nice to see you again. Again,
Thank you so much.
our
I
students.
also miss my college days and everything because of everyone from Asia Pacific. Uh, right now, I'm here. So it's very like every time I'm thinking that whenever I going back to India, I will go to my college, especially to meet my faculties and everyone. What they'll teach me, what I learned from them, everything. Yeah.
Absolutely our pleasure to see you in great
Thank you so much.
heights. Keep, we also wish keep going heights. And Nehal, since you completed quite few years back, and now you are
Okay.
in Russia. Right? So how did this transition from college to your career happen? Like, how was your transition? How did you get kind of career over there in a place which is far away?
Okay. So I started my college, I think in 2014 in batch 26, and it is 4 years course, BHMCT, located in Boini, and I started with so many good seniors, good environment in college, how to do um, grooming, everything they teach us. And slowly, the studies, the major departments, they teach about that in first years. And slowly in third sem, I went to industrial training. That was in 2015, um, June to December period. We did 22 weeks, I think 22 weeks training period. I did from in India only, the Park Kalingut, Goa, in year of 2015, and there I learn everything practically. And what my seniors told me every time from beginning, it was that the first training all all the Indians have to do in your country only, means in India. So I also want to go from first year, that I want to go outside of the country to see how's the culture, food preparations, everything, because from beginning I want to be a chef. So then I decide to do my training session in India only. I chosen by APJ, no, yes, APJ Surinder Group, the Park Hotels. It's a boutique properties hotels in India only, and they have so many places. They have the hotels. So I started in Goa, the Park Kalingut, Goa. It is near to Kalingut Beach, sea face hotel, and it's so good. It's a boutique property, and I started there my first training, and with four major departments: front office, housekeeping, FMB service, FMB production. and I did in all of them. I learned everything from them. So many basics. Then after I moved to again in fourth sem, fourth, five, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and then seventh. Our professor, Mr. Umasankar Jagdish sir, he's he said to go outside if you want to. Because of that, I did my vocational training, that VT, from out of sea, Seychelles. It's a East African country, and we we learned there so many things. In that, I was that chef training, means in one kitchen only, and we did there so good performance, and we have in one kitchen 21 nationalities chefs. They are working together, so it's so good. My hotel name is uh, Coral Strand Smart Choice, and it's a Russian company, Sava International. Then slowly I uh, did better in my past, learn everything. Practical also it's important, and the theoretically also it's important if you want to be a chef or anything in anywhere. And after that, I think I went in 2017, the second training from this Seychelles, and it completed in 2018. After that, I gave my examinations and everything. I passed out from 7.2 CGPA I got in my result. It was good. And after that, I tried to move from India in 2019. I went, I came here in Romania, and here I am here, came in 2019. I started my job in June, and where I started my job, it's my hotel name is Hotel Piatra Mare. It's a ski resort, and it's a best place to do ski in Romania, as, as well as in Europe also. And it's so beautiful. Every year here, the max minimum temperature in winter, it's minus 34, 36. So from hot place to cold place, I moved, and I learned so many cuisines also, Romanian cuisine, Russian cuisine. Learned Hungarian cuisine here. Then I have so many uh, chefs who was celebrities also. Chef Sardar, Chef Mali Udengia. They are from Indonesia. Some of from Turkey. Some of Romanian. They are good, and I learned so many things. Yes, sir.
Yes, it was very, brief and detailed, like to know about how the college has, given you a path towards making your career, set your initial stages of your career.
Yes, sir.
Also, from your talk, I can sense that you got the essence of the practicality, which had undergone during your college days. Yeah, because hospitality industry, it's not a theoretical base. It's not having a theoretical base. Rather, it is having a kind of own personal sense which needs to be acquainted over a period of time. So I think you had grabbed it right, and you had get a good use of
Yes.
it. That's what I could say. Yeah, and
Yes.
yes, of course, the transition for you is quite planned, and it was it was from within you, I guess. And since you there is a distance from India to place in Europe, or in Romania, right? So
Yes, sir.
what is the type of difference? There are certainly there are cultural differences, and some kind of challenges you would have come across, right? Like as a
Yeah.
student from here and as a person who's working over there, not quite
Yes.
an usual thing. It's entirely different from what you have come up with your childhood or during your college days. No, it is entirely different. Can you recollect few of your challenges that you faced?
Yes. Yes. Sure. The challenges is the most important thing to to grow up your myself. What I'm thinking, and I think like before I was not fluent in English like this, and I was passed out from Gujarati medium. So challenges it's so hard. Like I passed out 12th science. Then I decided to be a chef. Okay, but my family they said move to engineering. So in 2013 I started engineering, and my branch was is environmental engineering from government college. So I don't want to be that, and it was not no like from her. Yeah, I want to do this in future, and I can see that my future is not that. No. So I my father asked me after second sem, if you want to do start hotel management, you can carry on. Then I moved from that place, Kutch. I was in Kutch, and I moved back to Ahmedabad. Basically, I'm from Ahmedabad. So I didn't give my introduction, and I give you now. It's okay. My name is Nehal Parmar. I'm from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I'm 25 years old, and uh, I did my uh, education first. I completed my BBHMCD from Asia Pacific College, and I did two trainings. First from the Park Collingwood, Goa, and second was in Seychelles. And my hobbies are to singing and playing snooker and billiards. Yes. So I started in 2014. I start college. The month I know the exact date. It was 28 July 2014, and I waited for that my college like so 7 6 months. I waited to open, and I search about so many colleges in between, but I choose Asia Pacific, and I passed out from Gujarati medium first. So it's so like tough to talk everyone in English. I don't have even speak in English. No, like I can understand, but it's not like that much. I can talk like anyone every time. Like, so everyone giving an introduction their self like in English. When I was stand up, I give in Hindi. So it's tough days. Slowly, our uh, faculty was Pushkar Gupte sir. They gave us a task like if you want to change yourself, do it that thing for 21 days continuously. So where I am sitting with my colleagues, we three colleagues like talk in English always. Like if I'm using any other word, we have to give money to them, five rupees. So slowly, first day it was 400, second day it was 380. Like in 23 or 24 days, it was zero. So slowly, we start to talk in English. Then even like when I went in Seychelles, there is no options to talk no in Hindi or our mother language. So I started to. There is no option. If you want to say something to anyone, I have to tell you talk to you in English only. It's a common language. So then I learn, and professionally, our faculty Jitu sir was telling us like focus your kitchen like 75 30 65 35 65 to your um, this practical knowledge, and 35% is theoretical. So based on that, I learned. I was we celebrate so many festivals, and we cook all the time for mass in kitchen in Pune. I was like supervise every time. I was like checking the menus, making the days we celebrating. So the kitchen skills we learn from there. What what is that? How to do preparation? Every basic sauces, how to make. Butchery I learned from Seychelles, because in India it's tough. In butchery also we did so many struggles because we don't know how to cut chicken pieces. Means in cuts, chicken cuts, beef cuts, fish cuts. I learned from Seychelles because there are so huge fishes we caught, like tuna, salmon, then red snappers, everything, octopus, lobsters. I cut there so many, and I learn how to cut, how to give that. In Romania, where I'm working right now, I'm the youngest chef in there. Everyone is older than me, like 7 years, 6 years old, and they are like after 14 years experience, they got to came here, like they got chance to work. Neither they said we are not lucky enough like you. I'm not saying I'm lucky, but yeah, for that we have to do struggle everything.